This bread is 100% diabetes friendly. It's also a great choice for keto and low-carb lifestyles. Healthy, nutritious, and blood sugar friendly. First, we'll make the bread, then we'll take a look at its nutritional values together. Let's get started. You can see all the ingredients on the screen. Into a large mixing bowl, add 28 grams of coconut flour, 32 grams of Psyllium husk powder, 40 grams of chia seeds, 1 packet or 10 grams of baking powder, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Mix all the dry ingredients well until everything is evenly combined. In a separate bowl, crack and whisk 3 eggs. Pour the eggs into the dry mixture and start mixing with a spatula. Now add 10 milliliters or 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Right after that, pour in 150 milliliters of warm water and continue mixing. Because psyllium and chia absorb water very quickly, the mixture will soon turn into a thick dough. Once the dough is ready, let it rest for 10 minutes. When the resting time is over, transfer the dough into a loaf pan lined with parchment paper. Brush a little water over the top, then sprinkle with sesame seeds. Place the pan on the middle rack of a preheated oven. Bake with top and bottom heat at 180 degrees Celsius for about 65 to 70 minutes. Once the baking time is complete, remove the bread from the oven. Transfer it to a wire rack, cover it with a clean towel, and let it cool completely for at least 4 hours. And now our bread is ready. It has a lightly crisp crust, a soft interior, and a beautiful airy texture. The finished loaf weighs 362 grams. Enjoy it for breakfast or with any meal throughout the day. Bon appétit! Now let's compare our bread with white bread, whole wheat bread and rye bread that you can easily find in most grocery stores. First, let's look at the net carbs. One 25-gram slice of our bread contains only 0.8 grams of net carbs, and 100 grams contains just 3.3 grams. As you can see on the screen, the other breads contain many times more. But how does that affect blood sugar? Now let's compare their glycemic impact over 6 hours. White bread, whole wheat bread, and rye bread all create a much higher glycemic load. Even though their levels are different, our bread, shown in green, has such a low glycemic impact that it's almost unnoticeable. That's exactly why it's an excellent choice for people with diabetes and anyone following a low-carb lifestyle. And as you've seen, it's surprisingly easy to make. On our channel, you'll find many more delicious recipes that are 100% diabetes friendly and low in carbs without sacrificing flavor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment. Your support means a lot to us. Thanks for watching. See you in the next recipe. Stay healthy and take care.